Your website's perfect accessibility score is a lie. You ran that AI checker, it gave you a green light, and you think you're totally compliant. Here's the hard truth: you're not. Those automated tools only catch about 30 to 40% of the real issues. They're great at spotting the obvious, low-hanging fruit, things like bad color contrast or a missing alt tag on an image. They can scan thousands of pages in minutes, which is super efficient for finding clear technical errors. But here's where it all falls apart: context. An AI can see an alt tag exists, but it can't tell you if the text is just image123.jpg, which is completely useless for someone using a screen reader. It won't flag a dozen links that all say "click here," leaving users with no idea where they're going. And keyboard navigation? The AI might confirm every button is reachable, but it can't tell you if the tab order jumps you from the header to the footer and back again, creating a frustrating maze. This false sense of security is dangerous. Don't even get me started on those accessibility overlay widgets that promise a one-click fix. They often just interfere with the assistive tech people already use. The real solution is combining AI with humans. Let the bots find the simple technical errors. Then have a real person, especially someone with a disability, actually try to use your site. They'll tell you if your checkout process is confusing or if a button is silent. It's not about AI versus humans. It's about a partnership to build a site that actually works for everyone.